Welcome back to the channel. Here we'll go through the process of an exterior detail. This is usually part of a full detail package that includes an interior as well. I have a video explaining that portion of the detail, but wanted to give you a look into what the exterior part of the detail looks like and what to expect when you book one with Cleen detailing. We'll break down this process in about 6 parts to go through what they look like, and I'll also throw in some real-time audio for the ASMR fans out there. Hope you enjoy!
Hey, how you doing? Good.
For this step, we'll spray a stronger chemical that will break down any contaminants like traffic film, dirt, grime, and bugs before we touch the vehicle. This step is normally considered an extra step, but for me and my process, it's essential. The goal on any wash is to eliminate or minimize the risk of scratching or marring the paint during this process, and in order to ensure we do it right, the pre-wash helps remove any particle or contaminant on the vehicle that could get stuck in the wash mitt and scratch the paint during the contact wash. Now you'll see the application of the foam soap. This isn't just a fun experience, but actually pretty vital again in reducing the risk of marring. The soap in its foam form will grab onto the surface of the paint and bring down any dirt with it as it glides down the body of the car. As a foam, it will sit on the car longer and therefore dwell on the surface and break down all the dirt and fill that has been built up on the car, again making it safe for the contact wash phase of the wash. Now we'll begin the rinsing phase. I am rinsing off the wheels because I applied a ceramic spray that will give a little protection against dirt, and since these wheels are matte, it will hopefully help keep them clean and quickly disperse any water that could sit and create stains on the wheel facings. After that, we'll go back to the normal process, which is rinse from top to bottom to push off any remaining dirt with the soap off the vehicle and prepare for the drying phase. I try to make sure everything is thoroughly flushed and rinsed off so there is no residue left behind, as well as focused rinsing into the door jambs to knock loose any dirt that's been sitting there since the last wash. The final step is drying, and with this I use a premium extra absorbent drying towel that is super soft and paint safe. I will not apply pressure when drying and try to dry in long motions as to not create any swirls or scratches that could be visible. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to like and comment if you like this type of video or if you'd want to see something different. Enjoy!